Uh, I don't know. That, yeah. Alright, whatever. Okay, so, what, float, um, saturation, I guess? SATR equals, the maximum float, no, excuse me, math float, math f dot max of, color, what's our color? Render dot material dot color dot r minus g absolute value. So the math f dot absolute value of that minus r minus g and or as well as g or r minus b or b minus g, and let's see how that goes with multiplying the, what is it, this is overkill, this is a lot of overkill, but this is for the sat oscillation scale times satur, and I guess I could punch the oscillation scale back up, since that's going to be a pretty significantly reducing factor. So yeah, actually we can probably get rid of this. Back to just, oops. Whoa, what happened? No, that was not incorrect. That was not correct. Random dot value, how about times, what was it? I think it's times like 8, and then plus like 4 maybe? Let's see how that goes. Alright. Yay, colors. Oh yeah, let's punch the tribute period down to 2. Tribute time down to 2, yeah. Alright. Oops. I should probably increase the cooldown when you change screen, so that you don't, so that if you're going crazy with the stars, you don't accidentally misclick. Alright, I think this is working. I mean, it's pretty sad. But it's technically working, I guess. Aww. Yeah, let's make the stars slightly less likely to cluster up in the center. I don't know, maybe that's fine. Maybe I just don't need, maybe I'll just do 2 stars per click instead of 3. Let's see how that goes. Oops. I guess I shouldn't have stopped the simulation. Yeah, let's try. Excuse me, sir. I'm trying to rip your star out. Yeah, let's see how that works. That works fine. Maybe even a little better. Alright, so, yeah. Maybe I'll try putting that on the calculation of Satur on start and see if that works. Flow Satur. I guess for starters it'll be equal to 0.5. Well, no, if it's on start, then it's probably fine. So yeah, Satur equals all that good stuff. We'll even put it first thing. Let's see what that does. Oh yeah, I'll have to go through the simulation in order to get the morale down. Or I could just bump the mob count like way high, right? Because if it was 50, then yeah, that might be working, I guess. I don't know. I mean, yeah, certainly they don't certainly seem to have much drift then. Yeah, that might have been working actually. Yeah, because the really saturated ones are the ones that are moving the most. So, all right, sure. I guess I should give the stars a random rotation value when they start up. So yeah, rotate what forwards? So rotate. So a transform dot rotate. What vector 3 forwards forward random dot value times 360, I guess. See how that goes. Yeah, perfect. Look at those stars, they're so colorful. Alright, so now the thing I was saying about how there's like a rotation of stars, or like there's like a fixed number of stars, and so like yeah, here we go, game objects, game object, stars, all, I guess, equals new game object, right, 20, I think, is probably good. Save that. So, oh yeah, and then, int stars, it, equals, 0. So, yeah, so actually, so right, when all this happens, actually, it's not game object stars like such, it's if game object, or no, if, excuse me, stars all stars IT not equal, no, yeah, not equal null, destroy it, So then it becomes this new one, and then all of these things also become that, or yeah, etc., etc. And then what? Also, star underscore it, stars underscore it, plus plus. Oh, yeah, I guess plus plus stars it stars. No, okay, so yeah, I prefer the way of doing it. Stars it equals stars it plus 1 modulo stars all dot length. And yeah, so that'll just wrap around, and if we have more than 20 at a time, it'll just destroy the old ones and put down new ones. So, did we ruin everything? No, seems fine. Okay. We probably don't even need 20. Okay. It's just like, I don't know. A little distracting, I guess. Can't tell if they're distracting in a bad way. Also, why? Just why? Let's see. So, yeah, I guess I'm probably, wow, alright, I have an hour and 40 minutes left. So when I account for all the things that are going to go terribly wrong right at the last minute, I have very little time left whatsoever. So, yeah, I should just do the things that I know I should do. For example, I would like for the text over here on, oh yeah, right, I should make it visible. For the text here, I will make this speech 1 and speech 2. By this, I mean, well, yeah, alright, sure. Speech 2. Speech 1, we'll say most of this. Specifically, we'll say the first 2 lines of this. Oops. And then, speech 2, we'll say the rest of it, which is to say sacrifice. And also this will move down and get bigger. Bigger. And then I'll move up slightly. Not that far. Oops. And this can move up slightly. Nope, wrong way. This can get bigger. 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 Too big? No. Never. There. Perfect. Alright. Alright, so that was all I had to do there. What else? I still feel like I should do something with the stars. Well, for one thing, maybe I'll only have 1 star per click, because it's still just like a little bit overwhelming, I feel like. And I mean, I can always add the stars in add them back in again really easily. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, that's actually much better. So then why, I guess, is still a question. I still have no clue why these stars are. I know. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yes, indeed. Yeah. Yep. Actually, yeah, so, right, so, yeah. Yeah, oh, so, sorry, my brain was in quiet mode for a moment. When you click, it's not going to make stars appear where you click. It's actually going to make stars appear on the nearest mob. Yeah. That's all. I was just turning things over in my head, and that was what I came to. So yeah. I should make star making and a separate thing. So vector, no, void, make star, vector 3, vec. So, yeah, if stars, etc., 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 bam. I guess, yeah, you don't have to make stars more than once, make a star more than once per frame. We can, right, so make star, etc., etc. Oh, except vec, right, so the where to make of the reground, yeah, it's not actually reground intersection, it's vec. Although I should, yeah, no, that goes back into the GUI thing. So star pause equals etc., etc., and then this is vec. So right, yeah, so vector 3 star pause, wait, why am I doing this? No, I'm not. I do not have to be doing this. I don't know why I did that. Okay, at first I was thinking of putting it into fixed update, but I don't care. I'm just gonna put whatevs. Yeah, no, okay. So, undo all of that. I guess, I wonder if I do that more often after going silent. Like, I wonder, like, if I said everything out loud, I wonder if I make fewer mistakes when I say things out loud. Anyways, right, so, yeah, the other thing that we have to do, yeah, so ray ground intersection does come out. So that part is true. And then it's fine. How about near mob is the position. And then vector 3 near mob for I int I equals 0, I less than mob count, I plus plus, if, oh yeah, so vector 3 near mob, no, I guess I can just go int near mob, and also yeah, near mob. So what am I doing? I'm just fetching the integer for the index of the nearest mob. I guess might as well do public float star range equals what, like 3, how about, or 2.5. No, I might not use star range. Yeah, I'll use star range. Okay. This is going to be so yeah. So now, did I just do the thing where I went in my head again? Sorry. This is probably doesn't make for the most interesting stream. So right, yeah. So the reason that we have the star range is so that you can click anywhere and it'll make a star appear on the nearest mob, but only if the mob's in range. Only if the nearest mob is in range. So right, near mob equals -1. Float near dist equals oh yeah, so star range. Save. No, that's not a good time to save. Okay, so if okay, wait, hold on. Near mob dot position transform position actually, that's not even... Oh yeah, no, not even. So many not evens. Because it's, mobs. Your mob, for one thing. It's also, like, not even that. It's like slightly above that. Or maybe slightly before that? Whatever it is, it's not that. Oh, maybe it is. Yeah, you know what? Maybe it is. And then maybe stars will just always be, like, a little forward in Z. Like, that's not such a bad idea. So, yeah. So, wait, position, local position equals x offset. Oh yeah, so random, so yeah, so what if, so it's like 0.6 f, and then also value plus 0.2 f, maybe? For starters, and then those use, oh, no, not 0, yeah, also the local position thing. Yeah, so maybe that's enough in terms of positional offset from the star itself, and then the star entity, its parent, can just go right on top of the mob, because it'll always be offset by an appropriate amount, I guess, maybe, I don't know, let's see. So also this, I'm going in a weird order right now, but we're closing in on 11 hours, so we're also closing in on t minus 1 hour. So if near mob is greater than or equal to 0, then we do this stuff. Otherwise we don't. And I'll fix that indentation in a moment, because I still haven't even gotten to etc. etc. If what? Oh right, yeah. So we need to do the raycasty thing. So it's like what? It's like I don't even remember. I'm just gonna look it up again. I mean, I could try and remember, but nope. What was it? Look, it's right here. Perfect. It's like it was waiting for me. Yeah, that's the ticket. The thing where the camera and the raycast. So yeah, so vector 3 click pause equals, oops, no, it doesn't even, yeah. So, alright, so now we have our pieces in place. If click, if parenthesis click pause minus mobs I dot, oh, not even, nope. If mobs I not equal null and click pause. So if mobs I not equal null, then we have a mob to work with. So then if the click mobs I transform dot position dot magnitude is less than is less than near dist. But you know what, actually, let's indent that. Because, let's actually say, float dist equals quick pause, etc., etc. So then if dist really not necessary, super not necessary, super don't care. So then near mob equals near dist equals that. Yeah. And then what? And then and then we can do this other thing. And it can be indented correctly and everything. I don't know. Maybe? I don't know. Was that the whole thing? Did we just do the whole thing? I kind of zoned out for a minute there. No errors? Seriously? Alright, it's a little too high. Especially because it starts moving up immediately. Maybe we should like circle around the mob. Because it doesn't necessarily look like it's near the mob necessarily. Yeah, I mean, definitely has to move down. For starters, let's see how that changes things. Yeah, maybe the stars should swirl around. Actually, let's make it start even lower. I don't know. Oh, it's starting at a random height. So let's not do that. Start at 0.0 or just 0f, 0f, 0. Yeah. Okay. I guess we don't need. Oh yeah. I mean, the only reason we had variation in the x offset was when there were multiple stars, so we can get rid of that for now. So, how about now? How we doing? Oh, did I put them behind accidentally? I meant to put them in front. So, negative 60? I don't know. That seems weird. I would have thought positive 6f, but maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, no, I'm apparently wrong. So, what other weird qualities did I put in those stars that I might not actually want anymore? I guess maybe I don't have to vary the oscillation scale anymore. Because they kind of do that on their own with the grayscale. go without it, see how that goes. Control S. What is the default value of 0? You said something had a default value of 0. No? I don't know. What happened there? Why are you just randomly off to the side now? You're just randomly off to the side. Oh, because I put the x offset to 1. When I meant to put the x offset to 0. Let's also make this like 0.7. Actually, yeah, I guess instead of parenting the stars to bucket, I could just parent them to their mobs. Why not? Let the mobs carry the stars around with them. So where do I do that? Oh yeah, transform parent equals near mob. Mobs near mob dot transform. Alright, yeah. So I like that. I like a few things about that. So what? Oh yeah, right. So when we transition to scene 0, scene 1. When we transition to scene 1, which happens when? Oh, it happens when we choose a tribute. So when we transition to scene 1, for int I equals 0, I less than stars all dot length I If stars all I dot transform dot parent equals mobs equals mobs tribute index yeah, oh, dot transform, I guess. That's kind of weird. Or yeah. Dot game object, I guess. Feels better for me. Destroy stars all by alright, I think that should help. What? Something's going down. That's the way it is. What's up? What's up? What? You're just gonna straight up crash? Cool, fine. Dude, okay. Did I mistype something? Int I is less than I plus plus if I don't know. Seems fine to me. You're gonna crash again? Are you? You're gonna crash? Yep, you're just gonna crash again. Fine. Dude, okay. I don't want you to continue running or anything. Oh, what? Okay. Oh, I'm still trying to access it, you say? Oh. Right. Yeah, you're right. Okay. So if even not equal null. And yeah. Alright. You got me. You got me. How about now? Alright, that probably worked. Let's crank down the tribute period and double check. Oh yeah, I can just focus on these guys. Yeah, super worked. Yeah, alright. So we don't have to worry about that anymore. Now hopping. Hop, hop, pop, hop, pop, pop. Yeah, so they only hop if they have hop charges, and they get hop charges from getting stars. Yay. Alright, so where do they hop? Hop time. Hop down. Yeah, hop time, hop cooldown, etc., etc. Yeah. So hop charge, hop time, int, hop charge equals new int array max mobs. So yeah, hop time. Okay. Hop time equals, okay. If time, that fixed time, is greater than hop time, and hop charge I is greater than 0. Yep, all that stuff. And then also hop charge I minus minus. And then, yeah, so now no one will hop. However, on GUI, whoops, running out of batteries. 1 moment. Yep, that's better. Probably. Might be slight performance edge, maybe, probably, I don't know. Usually it corrects itself after just a moment. Okay, sorry, yeah. Oh, sorry if I haven't been speaking up. I guess when I have no outward provocation to speak up, I tend to murmur a little bit. Excuse me. So if near mob, yeah. That's funny, since there's now only one, but yeah, and then also hop hop charge near mob ++. Alright. Perfect. that is just the feature this game needed. I feel like is going to be the case. Were you all hopping at the start? No? Oh no, you're just adjusting your position. Where's that star coming from? Oh. Yeah, no, that's... I don't know what that's about. Alright. No, yeah, you were just shifting. Hop. Hop. Wait, why are there 2 stars? I could have sworn yeah, I reduced you to 1 star. What? What? Stars prefab is this, right? And I have 1 star. Why are you giving 2 stars? Oh. Huh. I'm approaching T minus 1 hour. And I'm wondering what is the deal with all these stars? Hold on. One moment. Yeah, so let's print stars. I honestly don't know why at this point we're getting multiple stars. It's only, I don't understand any of that. It's only printing once. How? I'm gonna close you and then reopen you, see if that helps. Because my star prefab clearly only has 1 star in it. Clearly. And for a while it was only giving 1 star per click, I think. I feel like. Why is this position getting all like herky a little bit? It appears in one place and then instantly warps to another. Alright, whatever. So, only 1 mob should have a star. Oh, there it is. So why? Why? You jerk. You terrible, terrible jerk. I don't even know what to do with that. There's no prefab like that in my project. I guess I'll just go star prefab and with that instead. See if that helps. Oh, yeah, right. Should probably refactor it instead. A little better, yeah. Okay. Wait, what did I just do? I don't know what I just did. So yeah, stars prefab. Only 1 star. It's called stars, but there's only 1 star. Okay. Okay. You can do okay with this? You can be alright? You can hang in there? No. No. Bad. Bad game. Bad game. You get 1 star. You don't get 2 stars. Bad game. Alright, I'm just gonna... There's nothing special about this prefab, so you will die and you'll be reborn. Yep. Now what you can do? Ha! Eat it. Eat it. Eat all of it. There's no prefab for you to make up and lie about like a jerk. Okay. I think that's enough shaming for 1 prefab. Create other. There's just an empty prefab named stars. I'll just call it name it star prefab. This time, maybe that'll help. It has 1 star in it, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, and it has the script. The script. What is this? What does that script even do? I don't know. Oh yeah, it just makes it float up and die. Stars. Yeah. Oh, maybe, I don't know. Maybe that'll help though, hopefully. If it doesn't, I'll just have to like reformat my hard drive. And see if that works, see if that helps, see if that does anything better. Oh my god, if you have given me multiple stars. Wow, that's... You're not even trying. No, wait. No, it is only giving me 1 star. And the size difference is because whatever. Okay, I don't care. You seem to be just arbitrarily changing which. Oh wait. Did that get undone somehow? I don't know. Whatever. Yeah. Okay. So I'll just make it the right size, and everything will be magically perfect. Alright, so it was like, I don't know, it was like 0.5 or something. I don't know. Alright, so 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. No one cares. Yeah, the range of it is like overboard, I feel like. So what if oscillation scale was like so like 0.5 instead. And then what else do we need to do? Oh, I want to shift it up slightly, I guess. So instead of 0.f, how about like 0.2? I feel like we're going around in circles a little bit, but whatever. What? F's. Always F's. F's everywhere. What? Did that? No, maybe it just needs to be higher, even higher. Is that good though? Yeah. Maybe. I guess it's obvious enough which one it's emanating from based on which it goes with and which hops around. So maybe, yeah, maybe instead of starting it out in front, maybe I can just do it slightly above. So like 0.5, something like that. See how that works. Yay! Happy, happy, happy. I guess. I guess it's a little weird to have it hopping around for so long after the stars are gone. So maybe the max charges is like 3 or something. So where is it? Onto UI. Yeah, we can stop doing that. Hop charge plus new mod. If So actually, I guess upcharge near mob equals my favorite mathf dot min 3 or upcharge plus 1. Yeah. Save that. So yeah, now you can add a few charges to a mob, but not so many. Wait, what? Oh. Wait, so no min. Wait, what? Oh, plus 1. Yep. Yeah. Oh. Maybe the stars drive productivity. Sure. Or maybe like you can't be productive without. You can't be productive without the without stars. So yeah. Huh. Yeah, okay, let's amp up the screen cooldown because like I know how to play this game and I'm hitting that a lot. So let's turn it up to like 4. That's right. Is it weird if they're still productive even when they're inert? Maybe like the hopping should stimulate productivity? Or maybe just increase productivity? Just give like a marginal gain to productivity. Yeah, sure, why not? So, how do I do that? Gain's an int, I think. Yeah, you're an int, right? Yeah, you're an int. So, what if gain was not an int? What if, or I guess I could just graft in like another thing to so what then? How many clicks is a productivity? We could just wait. Alright, so yeah, how about this? So int star prod equals 0, int stars to prod equals 5 maybe. So yeah, so when this works, when this works, right, so star prod plus plus if star prod greater or equal to stars to prod gain plus gain plus gain star prod minus equals stars to prod. Yeah, click your way to wealth and riches. So also let's change it so that, wow, T-minus 45 minutes. Also approaching, like we're past the 11th hour. We're 11 hours in at this point, and what is my game about? I hope I don't have to like fill out like a form about it or anything. I'm hoping I can just throw it up on the internet, like toss it up there and then call it a day. So what? Oh right, I was gonna prioritize when gaining. So yeah. So so if so I don't know, bool got equals false. And then, okay, so and idx sidx equals float in random value stars all dot length Actually, no, I guess I don't really need the random value. Yeah, I will do that anyways. I was gonna say I could just start from the bottom of stars, because like the bottom of stars is pretty arbitrary, but if you gained multiple times in a row, it would choose the same one each time. So it's not as varied, although it is as random. So while alright, so also int s start equals s idx. So while s idx, no, what? Okay, so while what stars all what am I trying to say here? So while stars all s idx dot parent dot what? Start dot equals null, I guess. Or well, okay, so while not got if stars all s idx not equal null, if stars all, oh yeah, okay, wait, no, so and stars all dot transform dot parent dot game object not equals tribute index, yeah, tribute index, mobs tribute index, mobs tribute index, seems fine. So if so, yeah, yeah, int idx equals -1, I guess. Oh yeah, okay, so I don't need that. While idx equals -1 equals -1, then idx equals yeah, I can't actually get the mob index just based on the stars index, unless I kept that. Yeah, I guess I could just keep that. 1125. Yay. Okay, stars all. Int. Stars mob. Oh, int. Yeah. Stars mob equals new int 20. So yeah, GUI, stars, so stars mob, stars it? Oh, wait, yeah, no. I mean, I have to do this before. Yeah, before this. Stars mob, stars, it equals what? Near mob, yeah. Near mob. Alright, so then that makes the other thing a lot easier. Or was it was in games? Right, so yeah, I don't have to do that anymore. I can just do stars mob SADX. Equals, not equals, attribute IDX. Then I guess technically we're spawning mobs on GUI, so I actually don't totally like using this in fixed update since we're spawning mobs in GUI. The timing. Well, I mean, I guess as long as I don't know. As long as the SIDX is still valid. Oh no, not SIDX. Stars mob SIDX. As long as that mob is still valid, then I guess that's fine. Right, so then if oh yeah, right, so if SIDX I guess I should do like the plus modulo thing. Yeah, sure. No specific time. Okay, so SIDX equals SIDX plus 1 modulo stars all dot length. And then if SIDX equals S star break. Yeah, and then so then with IDX equals -1, then we do this stuff. Wait, what are we breaking with weight? Or the 4, yeah, derp. Okay. And that is the scenario wherein we just completely failed to find a failed to find a suitable mob. Alright, this might be horribly broken, or maybe it just works. We don't have much time left, so I'm hoping it's the latter. Come on. Yeah, alright. So it's not completely broken. Hey, look at that. Please just work. Please, like, literally just work. Wouldn't that be amazing? I should double check something. What? So if okay, yeah, and stars and mobs, stars, mob, IDX not equals null. Yeah. Hopefully that catches all the cases. Hopefully. Really shouldn't be adding features this late in the process. Not one bit. Alright, well, we might be done. I should be playing it so that I can check the... Ugh, what? Why is it... What? Oh, right. Because I wasn't actually adding to score. I was only adding to game. Game. Alright, well... Well, I guess, okay, so I'll just have to add to both them, I guess. So we got gain plus plus, and then score plus equals 1. So, alright, there we go. That's probably too much. Yeah. Do I have a outward variable for star? No. Stars to prod is going to be public, and it's actually going to be a lot higher, close to like 20. No, I guess it doesn't have to be 20. I guess, what if it were, what if it were based on the population? How would I do that? Maybe it were, what if stars to prod was, I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, just a 10-ish, 12-ish, I don't know. I guess I can just crank down productivity with this. Nah, we'll just start out stronger, and I'll slightly turn down productivity. Turn down for what? 12, I guess. Right, so yeah, not bad. I feel like I can make the game go faster now that there's that level of interactivity. So yeah, so let's play. Pay. Can't afford, yikes. Can't afford. 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 Alright, so maybe you don't start off with any. Can't afford. Can't afford. Can't maybe don't start off with any resources. Maybe that'll just offset the productivity. Can't afford. Can't afford. Can't afford. Alright, yeah, so I mean, you don't start out with any score, maybe. 0. If you click a few times, you can get some score by the first drop. Otherwise, not so much. It's probably fine. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Actually, I think, stars to prod will actually be lower, but then, I don't know. I don't know. I guess I can scale it by what? What can I scale it by? I do not know. Could have afforded that one. No chance to hit the ground. What was I gonna do? Anything? Ship it, maybe? Oh yeah, I was gonna move the text around. Volcano scene. Text. Yeah, text box, speech. So maybe center. Oh yeah, centered, right? bigger? Yeah, it's probably fine. Actually, I guess this one could go a little bit bigger. Yeah, not quite that big. And then, I think this was the, yeah, same size, 28. Alright, ship it, ship this, ship all of this. Control save, save project, build and run, I guess. What? It's the same thing we were looking at before. Yeah, that's what I did earlier. Oh, yeah, I'm still live streaming, huh? Sorry. I just, kind of down to the wire. Oh, wow, really down to the wire. Like 14 minutes left. So, probably not gonna have time to fully test the build. Oops. I should probably just, like, put it up, put it online now, and, just hope everything works. Right? Yeah. I don't know. That could be a winning strategy. I don't know. Oops. I accidentally chose to pay the price. Yeah. Yeah, so it just occurred to me that I think, once you quote-unquote win the game. Oh, yeah, that was the other thing I was gonna do. Yeah, once you, like, win the game, which really shouldn't take as long as it takes presently. Alright, so a few things, yeah. Let's, do we have a concept of the score icon? Wait, is that even the right size? I don't know, I don't care. So yeah, do we have a concept of the score icon? Oh wait, yeah, quick thing. Liberty scalar 1.5, I guess. Save that. Liberty scalar 1.5, so hot charge. Okay, yeah. If what? Oh yeah, if correct choices less than choices to win, then yeah, don't win. Hop charge, otherwise don't. And then what was the other thing? Correct, yeah. Plus correct choices, correct. Yeah. Yeah. What is, so we have score text dot UI text dot enable equals false. And then let's get a concept of the game icon at the top of the screen as well. What are you? Score icon, I guess. Do we have that concept yet? Score icon. Okay. Public game object score icon. Save. So back to correct answers. Score icon. Dot set active false. Alright, so now when we win the game, mobs hop forever. They don't need your provocation to hop anymore because they're no longer on the under the despotic rule of the elder, and also I feel like that text should be, oh no, it's the stupid aspect ratio. It's the stupid aspect ratio. Why are you on this stupid aspect ratio? You should be on the other stupid aspect ratio. Did I screw up the, probably did, right? If yeah, I did, totally did. Alright, thanks for switching aspect ratios, you jerk. Oh yeah, be visible, please. And then be smaller, please. So 26. And then I guess the other half is okay. And then also though on this one, then you are also 26. Yeah. Okay. Alright, that was fun. As usual, build and run. So, wait a second. Is this the smallest aspect ratio? I don't know. It looks big. Build settings. Web player settings. No, you weirdo. 384 by 512. Yep. Confirm. Engage. Build and run, please. How do you look? Alright, so far so good. Little blinky stars for everyone. Little blinky stars. Everyone likes little blinky stars. go away. Go. I'll test that first, because... Okay, yeah, I'm going to finish testing this quote-unquote playthrough first. However, I also want to put... I'm going to cut off the back of the island, because I never put in the assets. Oh, holy shit! I have like 0 of time left. Alright, so lies. I'm not going to do basically anything, because I'm basically out of time. Okay. So yeah, crepes. I'm gonna shut down the stream because yeah, sorry. Bye. Thanks for hanging out.